Welcome to this demonstration of how the VMware vCloud Director tenant portal can interact with media files and catalogs. vCloud Director contains private catalogs, shared catalogs, and externally accessible catalogs. With these, tenants can interact using the HTML5 tenant portal. A catalog is a container for VApp templates and media files in an organization. If a system administrator enables catalog sharing for the organization, an organization catalog can be shared with other organizations in the vCloud Director installation, or they can be published externally. A catalog can be uploaded, copied, or moved, and the properties of the media files can be edited. Let's see how we can create such a catalog. After logging in to the VMware vCloud Director HTML5 UI as an organization administrator, navigate to the Libraries section to create a new catalog within the organization. Here, select Catalogs and see the currently existing catalogs that are provided by the system for the service provider within vCloud Director. To make sure we can host our own catalog items, such as different kind of media items or VApps, we are going to create a new catalog. Provide a name for the new catalog, and since the items in this catalog will be published only within this organization, we don't need to subscribe to any external catalog. Click OK, and the catalog will be created. As soon as the catalog has been created by the tenant administrator, the following typical tasks can be performed by any user with the proper permissions. Those are view a catalog, share catalogs among other organizations, upload or download media files, and deploy VApps out of the catalog. Back in the HTML5 tenant UI, on the Libraries section, the current settings can be reviewed. In this example, the service provider has published two catalogs for Linux and Windows items. During the previous demonstration, we have used the Organization Administrator role to create a catalog for our own apps and ISO files, which are not intended to be shared with other organizations. To add existing ISO files to the catalog, in the vCloud Director tenant UI, select Media and Other from the left menu of the Libraries section and click Add. Then, select the catalog you want the file to be added to and click the button to select the ISO image you want to upload. The system automatically uses the file name of the selected file. You can change the name later if you want. Click OK. The ISO file is going to be uploaded to the tenant portal. No client integration plugins are necessary for this. Instead of adding media and consumer media files into a catalog, it is also possible to upload VApp templates from a shared catalog into your own organization or virtual data center. In this demonstration, we are going to deploy a VApp from a dedicated, deployed, multi-tiered application, in our case, a web shop application. Select VApp templates from the left menu. Click the context menu of the template from which you want to deploy a VApp from. This menu is hidden behind the three dots at the beginning of the line. And select Create VApp. Provide a name for the new VApp and change the runtime and storage lease settings to 1 day and click Next. On the Configure Results page, we need to configure in which organization virtual data center this VApp is going to be executed or run and which storage policy is going to be used. Click Next, review the settings, and click Finish to complete the creation of the VApp. The creation process can be observed in the Recent Tasks pane on the bottom of the tenant UI. Once the VApp has been deployed, navigate to the Data Centers page, select the organization VDC where you have deployed the VApp, and verify if the VApp has been properly deployed. The webshop VApp has been added to the catalog and is available and is currently in a stopped state. Media files can of course also be deleted from the catalog if the user has the proper permissions. Remember, if you want to delete a catalog, it cannot contain any templates or media files. To delete a media item from the catalog, navigate to the Libraries section of the vCloud Director tenant portal and select Media and Others from the left menu. Then pick the file you want to delete and from the context menu of the item that you want to delete, click Delete. Confirm the deletion to persistently erase it from the catalog. to delete a catalog, select Catalog from the left menu and follow the same procedure as with a media file. The deleted file is now not available anymore for you or any other organization. This concludes our demonstration of how VMware vCloud Director Tenant Portal can interact with media files and catalogs. Thanks for watching.